transforming overlooked wood and metal scraps into striking, customizable rustic wall decor is an exciting journey that emphasizes the beauty of intuitive design and organic assembly, liberating creators from the constraints of precise measurements. This approach invites artisans to embrace the imperfections and idiosyncrasies inherent in reclaimed materials, celebrating their unique characteristics rather than conforming to strict guidelines or standard dimensions. In doing so, creators can develop distinctive, sellable pieces that not only resonate with modern aesthetics, but also serve as heartfelt expressions of creativity and sustainability. The essence of crafting such decor lies in the ability to cultivate a visceral connection with the materials while allowing the artistic process to unfold organically, free from the confines of rigid planning. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. At the heart of this transformative process is the understanding that reclaimed wood and metal tell their own stories. Each piece of wood might carry the marks of its previous life, knots, grain patterns, and weathered surfaces that contribute to the raw, rustic charm that many contemporary interiors seek. By working with these materials, artisans tap into a pool of rich textures and colors that can elevate any decor style. The first step involves gathering an assortment of wood and metal scraps, allowing artists to explore a variety of textures, colors, and sizes. Instead of focusing on achieving exact dimensions, the creator can begin to envision how these pieces can interact with one another, urging them to display their distinct personalities in a collaborative manner. This initial gathering phase becomes a source of inspiration, as creators intuitively start arranging and rearranging materials to find harmonious combinations that ignite their artistic energy. One of the most liberating aspects of this process is the freedom to experiment with form and structure. Intuitive design allows artisans to let go of the pressure to conform to predetermined standards, inviting a sense of playfulness into their work. As they manipulate the materials, they discover that imperfections and irregularities can actually enhance the artwork's character. For instance, a crooked piece of wood can become the perfect base for a rustic frame or a captivating shelf, while bent metal can be reimagined as a compelling contrast to smoother surfaces. This kind of organic assembly embraces the idea that beauty often lies in the unexpected, allowing creators to craft pieces that exude authenticity and a handmade quality, which modern consumers increasingly seek in their decor choices. The assembly process emphasizes fostering a connection with the materials. As artisans work with their hands, they become attuned to the textures and weights of wood and metal, developing a deeper understanding of how each piece can contribute to the overall composition. This process can involve trial and error, wherein adjustments are made as pieces are joined together, resulting in the organic evolution of the artwork. Often, what begins as a simple idea transforms as the creator becomes more engaged in the tactile experience, leading to unexpected designs that reflect both skill and spontaneity. Embracing these spontaneous moments can yield some of the most delightful results, emphasizing the joyful experience of crafting rather than adhering strictly to outlined plans. As artisans embrace intuitive design, they also open themselves to an exploration of color and finish. Reclaimed wood can be stained, painted, or left in its natural state, each option lending a different vibe to the final piece. Similarly, metals can be polished for a sleek look or left with a patina that imbues the decor with rustic charm. The beauty of using upcycled materials lies in their ability to blend seamlessly with diverse design aesthetics, from farmhouse chic to urban industrial style. As a result, creators can craft customizable pieces that cater to the diverse preferences of consumers today. The flexibility to adjust colors and finishes without strict measurements enhances the work's adaptability. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. Allowing artists to create one-of-a-kind items that fit perfectly into modern interiors. The emphasis on customizable rustic wall decor, therefore, not only celebrates personal expression, but also strongly aligns with contemporary consumer demand for unique, aesthetically pleasing pieces that contribute to sustainable living. In a market saturated with mass-produced goods, the allure of handcrafted art is increasingly powerful. Buyers are drawn to the narratives behind each piece, often preferring items that are imbued with meaning and artistry over generic products found in conventionally retail stores. By showcasing their processes, makers can narrate an engaging story about how their art evolves from discarded materials to cherished decor, amplifying the appeal of their creations. Potential buyers also appreciate the tangible connection to the environmental benefits of upcycled art. In a world filled with waste, the movement toward sustainability has taken on heightened importance, and handmade rustic wall decor crafted from reclaimed materials embodies this ethos beautifully. Creators can highlight their commitment to reusing raw materials, showcasing how each item not only serves a practical function, but also contributes to reducing landfill waste. This renewable production process points to a growing awareness among consumers, who are increasingly inclined to support artisans and businesses that share their values regarding sustainability and environmental responsibility. Ultimately, the journey from scrap to stunning decor, unfettered by stringent measurements, emphasizes a celebration of creativity, resourcefulness, and the raw beauty of upcycled materials. As artisans engage with overlooked wood and metal scraps, they unravel the potential hidden within these elements, crafting unique pieces that can seamlessly enhance a variety of modern interiors. The transformative power of intuitive design fosters a deeper connection between the artist, the materials, and the eventual viewer or buyer, allowing for the birth of art that is both personal and deeply impactful. This organic approach to assembly encourages creators to unlock their artistic potential, revealing that the most stunning decorations often emerge from the most unexpected journeys. In doing so, makers contribute to a broader movement that celebrates the art of individuality and the importance of sustainability. Each customizable rustic wall decor piece stands as a testament to the beauty of imperfection and the boundless possibilities of creativity, inviting all who encounter it to appreciate the stories that reclaimed materials can tell. Through this exploration, artists not only redefine their craft, but also inspire a renewed appreciation for the artistry that thrives in every fragment of wood and metal, enriching the world with decor that is not just visually striking, but deeply interconnected with the essence of our shared environment. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.